Hello everybody, today we're gonna make beef masala, Indian recipe. Let's start. First we add 2 tablespoons of oil with 1 piece of onion. We mix it for 20 seconds, and after we add the ginger with the garlic with the chili green pepper, and add the masala and mix it very well and leave it in the heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I add the tomato, I mix it and I leave it more 5 minutes in the medium heat. After 5 minutes I take it out, and with the same pan I add 2 tablespoons of oil. I add the beef, I mix it and I leave it in the medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes I add the spices, I mix it very well. I add half cup of water and I leave it in the medium heat for 10 minutes. In this step, to make the sauce, we add the tomato with the onion with the chili pepper in the mixer. We add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and we mix it. After we mix our sauce, we add in the beef and we mix it well and we leave it in the medium fire for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we add 1 tablespoon of masala powder. We mix it well and we leave it for 2 minutes more. Now we add some fresh coriander. We mix it for 1 minute. Like this, our food done and ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.